We're talking about a dream so many of us have, becoming a millionaire from scratch. No trust fund, no lottery win, just pure grit and smart moves. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. It's tough, absolutely, but it's more achievable than you might think. So, grab a notepad because we're about to break down the real, actionable steps to build your own seven-figure future. First things first, let's get our mindset right. This is the foundation for everything. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about money. It's about a fundamental shift in how you think and act. You have to stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a creator and an investor. What does that mean? It means instead of just spending your paycheck, you start looking for ways to make your money work for you. It means believing, truly believing that you are capable of achieving this goal. Ditch the "I can't" attitude. Replace it with "how can I?" This isn't just fluffy, motivational talk. It's the mental armor you'll need for the journey ahead. Okay, mindset locked in. Great. Step 2 is getting brutally honest with your finances. You can't build a skyscraper on a shaky foundation. You need a budget. I know the B word sounds boring, but it's your most powerful tool. You need to know exactly where every single dollar is going. Use an app, a spreadsheet, a notebook. Don't care what you use, just do it. Track your income and every single expense for at least a month. You'll be shocked at where your money is disappearing. Those daily coffees, the subscriptions you forgot about, all adds up. Once you have the data, you can start making conscious decisions. This isn't about depriving yourself of everything you enjoy. It's about being intentional with your spending so you can free up cash for your real goal. With your budget in place, you'll likely find you have some debt. And debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards, is like trying to swim with an anchor tied to your feet. It's actively pulling you down. So, the next mission is to declare war on debt. There are two popular strategies here, the avalanche method and the snowball method. The avalanche method has you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first, which saves you the most money in the long run. The snowball method has you pay off the smallest debt first, which gives you quick psychological wins to keep you motivated. Both work. Pick the one that suits your personality and stick with it. Get aggressive. Every extra dollar you can throw at your debt is a step closer to financial freedom. Now we're getting to the exciting part. Increasing your income. You can only cut so many expenses, but your earning potential is theoretically unlimited. Your primary job is your starting point. How can you increase your value there? Can you take on more responsibility, learn a new skill, or get a certification that would justify a raise or a promotion? Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. But don't stop there. We live in the golden age of the side hustle. There are countless ways to earn extra money. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or social media? Hop on freelance platforms. Do you have a car? Look into delivery or ride-sharing apps. Can you walk dogs, tutor, or sell handmade crafts? The goal is to create multiple income streams. Even an extra few $100s a month can be a game changer when you put it to work. And that brings us to the core of wealth creation, investing. This is the step that separates the financially average from the future millionaires. You need to make your money have babies. You've worked hard for it. Now it's time for it to work hard for you. The stock market can seem intimidating, but it's the most proven wealth-building engine in history. The simplest way to start is with low-cost index funds, or ETFs, that track the S&P 500. This essentially lets you own a tiny piece of the 500 largest companies in the US. You're diversifying your risk and betting on the long-term growth of the American economy. The key is consistency. Set up automatic investments from every paycheck, no matter how small. This is called dollar cost averaging. Don't try to time the market. Just keep investing regularly through the ups and the downs. The magic of compound interest will do the heavy lifting over time. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Let's talk about a specific and powerful tool for Americans: retirement accounts. Specifically, your 401k if your employer offers one, and a Roth IRA if your company has a 401k match. You absolutely must contribute enough to get the full match. It's literally free money. After that, I'm a huge fan of the Roth IRA. You contribute with after-tax dollars, which means all your growth and withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. That's huge. Imagine your account growing to $1 million and you get to keep all of it. The contribution limits change, so check the current year's rules, but you should aim to max this out every single year if you can. Think of these accounts as your millionaire-making machines running on autopilot. As your income and investments grow, don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Just because you're making more money doesn't mean you need to spend more money. A bigger paycheck shouldn't automatically mean a bigger car payment or a fancier apartment. This is where most people get stuck. They get a raise and their spending rises to meet it, keeping them on the financial hamster wheel. You need to break that cycle. Keep your living expenses as low as you comfortably can, and funnel the difference, that gap between what you earn and what you spend, directly into your investments. The wider that gap, the faster you'll reach your goal. It's a simple formula: live below your means and invest the rest. Finally, a crucial point: education. The financial landscape is always changing. Your journey to becoming a millionaire is also a journey of continuous learning. Read books about personal finance, investing, and business. Listen to podcasts. Follow reputable financial creators right here on YouTube. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Knowledge reduces risk and opens up new opportunities you might not have seen before. Your financial education is an investment in yourself that will pay dividends for the rest of your life. So there you have it. The blueprint isn't a secret. It's about building a strong mindset, managing your money with intention, eliminating debt, increasing your income, investing consistently for the long term, and never stopping the learning process. It won't happen overnight. This is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks. But if you stay disciplined and focused on the goal, building a seven-figure net worth from scratch is not just a dream, it's a plan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you the motivation and the practical steps to start your own journey. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build your wealth. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to start with today. See you in the next video.